Oke guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillah. So in this occasion, I want to tell you about my portfolio that I made in January 2000, maybe in February 2024. So this portfolio will upgrade, always upgrade, maybe. Okay, let's start. Hello, I'm Muhammad Novel Adana Putra. I'm student that are looking for internship procurement. I have skill on network engineer. Okay, let's start. So this web I call is portfolio. So if you want to go to my web portfolio, you can type my name novelriana.github.io and then slash portfolio. Okay. So in this web there is two button in the section of hero. So this I call section hero. So there's a resume and contact. Okay, let's start it. Go to resume. Wait a minute. Yes, it's very lag because there's no internet in here. So I use VS Code to presentation. Okay, guys. So in this resume, I will tell my maybe my background or yeah background in when I'm school in at SMK IDN Board School. So the first is I have experience. So I have experience. It's not a lot, but it's uh it's very um it's very mind with me for me. So first I have experience teaching or be a trainer MTSN and MTSR at in MGMP TKJ or in on West Java in West Java, especially in Garut. So there's a agenda from our school that the name is IDN Teaching or in Indonesia is IDN Mengajar. So in here in that my in in Garut or in experience, so I talk or I teach uh teacher that teacher from network engineer in Jawa Barat. So who want to become a Mikrotik Academy in West Java, especially in Garut. So I uh tell about MTSNA and MTSRF. I teach, I explain that material before that participant take a certificate from Mikrotik from certified in MTSNA and MTSRF. So I tell that material first about MTSNA and MTSRF. I talk about topology, about configuration, about concept, about theory, about practice. A lot of I talk to participant in there. So from experience that I get in and I get from experience is like communication uh, communication skill that I get because I give uh, explain I explain about material MTSNA is like a technique material that must be uh, participant must be understand that I talk about. So it's uh, it's a very best or very good uh, skills that I get how I explain for participant that must participant must be understand. Okay, so uh, the location that experience in SMK Wikramagar. Okay, the second one is competition. So I joining a competition, national competition at Politeknik Negeri Jakarta. So that competition give me understand about. So this the first time competition that I join. I get experience from there how to be a focus on the configuration. There's no mistake. You must focus and you must face to configuration that uh, that user give you. So this the first competition that I joined. It's very good. And then the second one is alienation competition. It's from University Negeri Yogyakarta. So competition required me to configure the topology that give from student from UNE. So I must provide and meet the exacting completion requirement in order to qualify for the next round. So I get a win for go to the next round, and I was successful in the end, therefore, and thus become a finalist. So I got a finalist from elimination, but not win. Yeah. Okay. The fourth is attending event. So I attending event at Jakarta. The name is National Cybersecurity Connected. A lot of experience that I get from that event, especially about security, networking, network security in Indonesia. So there is a booth from network for from vendor from company that connect with networking. So there is a lot of companies like Metrodata, APG, Aptignas, uh, and then Telkom, and then FortiGate, a lot of them, Cisco, and then the last but not least about uh, experience is competition in Integar in Bali, Singaraja. So me and my friend join this competition from Bogor go to Bali. Competition based on Cisco Packet Tracer. So there is a topology that uh, I must finish it. So I not be a finalist because There is a lot of people from Bali that must be a winner of this competition. I don't know why. And then the second is skills. So I have learned about Mikrotik, Cisco, and AWS actually, but there's no. It's fine. From Mikrotik, I learned about MTSNA and MTSR, and when I'm in the school, in the first class, in the uh, 10, 10 grade, 10 generation, 10 grade. Okay. So from in MTSNA, I learned about basic configuration and then configuration with CLI. A lot of basic from Mikrotik that I learned in this material. And then the second is routing in MTSR. So I learned about basic routing until advanced routing and a little bit of BGP and MTSR that I learned. It's like a basic BGP. Okay. The third is Cisco, Sienna. I learned about routing and then switching. Routing is not difficult because I've based on routing in the MTS area because for network engine for networking uh, actually that theory it's same but for configuration is different. Okay, and then the second is switching. I learn about a basic configuration from our switching. And then it's like tracking port STP and then MLIs. Yeah. And then the actually there is a CCNP that I learned in the 11th grade. I learned about advance of this the next of Sienna. It's more advanced from Cisco. I learned about a lot of material from CCNP that I learned. And then the last or the second semester at the 11th grade, I learned about AWS. I learned about SC2. I learned about IAM, Amazon S3. Yeah, how to be how to build a server in the cloud. Yeah, I learned that. And then in the resume there's education. So I school in SMK Aiden Boarding School Bogor in Pamijahan. So I currently pursuing a degree in network engineering. But during my academic career, I've had the opportunity to gain expertise in the field of network device from several well-known vendors such as Mikrotik, Cisco, and AWS. My area of specialty include theoretical knowledge, configuration, and troubleshooting. Okay, guys. And then the last of page, there is a page contact. Wait. So contact the page in contact. It's just for HR or you want to connect with me with Gmail. You just click the higher button. So the higher button will redirect to your Gmail to make a compass to chat with me. Okay, you can type my web and then maybe I will put my web on the link of the description. See, it's like a button. You can click button and then the alert that this web will go to redirect to uh, your Gmail. Okay. Okay, guys. Because there's no internet, It's maybe I take some minutes to get. Okay, guys. I think that's all for my portfolio in 2024, and maybe we'll update for 1 month or every 1 month maybe. Okay, guys. I think that's all. Thank you. Uh, Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.